So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Vegas Nay individual lashes. It includes 3 different lengths, a short, medium and long, which I really like because you can get the cat eye effect. That's the one I'm going to go for today, and it comes with a adhesive and a adhesive remover. In this tutorial I did not actually use this glue because it just didn't work for me. I would recommend, sorry, a black eyelash glue because I just like the way it looks and it's just easier to use. So that I've done one eye off camera and I'm just showing you guys how the difference it looks. Basically, I do like going for a natural look, so that is what I've gone for, but if you prefer something a bit more dramatic, you could use 2 packs of eyelashes. So basically what I am doing is I am dipping the lash into some of the eyelash glue and I'm placing it underneath my lash line, underneath my lashes, so that when it's all complete you can't see them. This may look kind of daunting, but honestly it's the most easiest thing ever. Like, you will know whether or not it's in the right place. So if you can see, let me try and explain this again. If you can see, I place it and then I blink, so just to feel if it's in a comfortable position, and then once it's in a comfortable position, I press it in place with the back of the tweezers. So yeah, it's kind of self-explanatory, so I'm gonna leave you guys to like watch what I'm doing and pop in and out when there's something I feel like I need to say. But if you do have any questions about anything or you're unsure about something, please let me know. And the reason why I do like to use black eyelash glue is that it kind of makes my lash line look thicker, and I kind of feel like it helps give the appearance of fuller lashes. So that's the reason why I prefer to use black lash glue. And what I would recommend is, if you leave the lashes to dry for a few seconds, go back in with your tweezers and kind of press them in place so that they don't move or anything like that, and that just helps to secure it into place and make sure that it doesn't slide into your eye. So yeah, because I have really short lashes and sometimes it's kind of hard for me to get the lashes to stay onto anything, so if you leave it for a few seconds and then just squish it together, it won't move. Sorry, I forgot to say at the beginning that at the front inner part of my eye, sorry, I use the short length of the lashes, because you know how it comes in 3 lengths. I use the short on the inner part of my eye, the medium in the middle, and the long at the edges of my eye. And basically I find it helpful to start at the inner part of my eye and use some of the short lashes, and when I'm 1/4 of the way, is it 1/4 or 1/3, whatever, when I'm 1/4 of the way, I like to stop and then go to the edge of my eye and start using the long, and this just ensures that you distribute the lashes evenly. And because if you start from just one side, you might end up using too much for one side, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm confusing you guys, but basically if you start on one side and then stop and go to the other, it just makes sure that you have enough for each eye, and it's evenly spaced. And I kind of make sure that I use half for both eye. I do notice that the second eye always comes out better than the first eye, so sometimes I do use some of the spare ones on the first one. It's just because obviously you've had practice on the first eye and the second one comes out perfect. But honestly guys, it's super simple to do. I really hope this tutorial is like self-explanatory, and I'm going to leave you guys to watch the rest of the clip.